Hello and welcome to Nan Loves Food. I am Ann here today with a Trader Joe's haul. I literally went in to get two things and came out with $170 worth of groceries like you do at Trader Joe's, or at least like I do at Trader Joe's. So I figured I would bring you along and show you what I got. One of the two things that I went in to get was this beautiful succulent planter. I got this for my little sister for Valentine's Day. It is a heart-shaped, this is kind of like a ceramic thing, and it has these beautiful live succulents. Isn't that just the prettiest? So this is one of the things that I went in for. In case you were wondering, the other thing I went in for was this vegan salmon-esque spread. So this is a totally vegan, like salmon and caper and dill, like cream cheese sort of situation spread. I haven't tried it yet, but I was just too curious about this. I needed to give this a try. I will be trying this and a lot of the products that I purchased today over on the shorts portion of my YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed, and I have a whole playlist of Trader Joe's shorts. So I take you item by item through everything I've tried. I will let you know the nutrition information, any allergens that are included in these, because if you're like me, I've got to be careful about what I eat and what I don't eat. So yeah, I just like to provide all that information for you, and then also what I think of it. So give you a little review, and they're all in less than 60 seconds. So if that interests you, make sure you're subscribed. Otherwise, let's get into the haul. First, we got these spicy Korean rice cakes. I have not had this before, but I've read really good things. Very excited to give that a try. Got some buffalo style chicken poppers. Again, this is new to me. I believe this is a new item. So we will pop that in the air fryer and see how those are. I believe this one is new as well. It's definitely new to me if it's not new to Trader Joe's. Rigatoni pasta with asparagus, broccoli, green peas, and a creamy sauce. That sounds right up my alley, and I love these quick weeknight meals or lunches in a pinch. Really handy to have those on hand in the freezer. I have not had this one before. I love this one. I love paneer. It's one of my favorite things to order when I get Indian food, and this Trader Joe's version is very good. Fair warning, this is just the paneer and spinach. It is not any rice. So I think this is technically, yeah, this is 2 servings, but it's only 410 calories if you eat both servings, but that does not include your rice. So this is delicious. Can highly recommend this one. I get it all the time. This one I have not had before, but I cannot imagine there's anything wrong with it at all. This one does come with your rice. So it is 1 serving per container with that 410 calories again. So just glad to have some quick heat and eat stuff on hand, just kind of for emergencies, you know? Next up is the refrigerated section. Grab some shishito peppers. If you are not putting these in the air fryer, you are missing out. These are so delicious. They say about 1 in 10 is spicy, although I have noticed that I either get a bunch of spicy or a bunch of not spicy, but either way, in the air fryer, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and salt. Sometimes I will throw in some pepperonis to get crispy in there. Oh my goodness, these are so good. So, so good. I've not had this before. This is a Brussels sprouts saute kit. So it has hazelnuts and Parmesan with lemon garlic vinaigrette. Talk about an easy side dish. I think you just stir it in the pan and heat it up. So that'll be delicious and easy for a weeknight. Grabbed one of my favorite things that Trader Joe's sells, which is their mirepoix. So this is just celery, carrots, and onions already diced. This is fresh and ready to go. So again, weeknight meals, super easy with this on hand. Grab some of their Mediterranean style hummus. I have a bunch of pita chips I want to use up, so this will help get those eaten for sure. Sweet cannelloni dip. Haven't had this before, but the gal at checkout said that she dips apples in this. I was thinking more like a graham cracker situation, but this is basically just a sweet kind of cream cheese based dip. I cannot eat egg without it upsetting my tummy, so I grabbed some plant-based egg. I'm going to do this with the soy chorizo. I'm going to do that in a burrito, so that'll be delicious. I'll just, you know, kind of fry those up together and add them just to a burrito, and that'll be several breakfasts for me. This horseradish pub cheese is one of my favorite things that Trader Joe's sells. You can get this at non-Trader Joe's grocers, but when I see it, I buy it. This is so good, especially the horseradish. The jalapeno is also good. The original is delicious, but horseradish is definitely my favorite. Here's that salmon-esque spread. A little skeptical about what vegan salmon is, but we'll give that a try. This organic tofu is amazing. It has got a little bit of teriyaki flavor to it. This, you can just slice up real fast and throw in the air fryer, and you've got a real quick, delicious protein in no time at all. I grabbed a pollo asado burrito. Again, this will be for a lunch for me sometime this week. It's got chicken, black beans, corn salsa, jack cheese, and a flour tortilla. So that'll just be a quick heat and eat for me sometime this week. All right, we grabbed a lot of snacks from Trader Joe's as we normally do. I've never had these peanuts in a pickle before, but a dill flavored peanut sounds delicious to me. Same with these crunchy chili onion peanuts. I like their crunchy chili onion oil, so can't imagine these are bad. This is one of those break glass in case of emergency at work things for me. I like to have these on hand if I'm having a particularly rough day. It kind of, you know, the combination of coffee / caffeine and chocolate usually has everything I need to make the day go a little bit better. So having these on hand is wonderful. Grab some more of this Calabrian chili pepper paste. So good, so good. A little spicy, but delicious. Grab some Thai style red curry sauce. This actually has egg, so I can't eat it, but it does make weeknight meals super easy if you can. This is a Calabrian chili spicy pasta sauce. Haven't seen this one before, but if it's as good as their Calabrian chilies are, that's one of the things I actually do with the Calabrian chili paste is put it in my pasta sauce. So I don't know how hot this will be. I'm a little worried it's going to be too warm for my husband. So I'll let you know when I do my taste test. The internet has been raving about this pepita salsa. Never had it before, but it actually has the pumpkin seeds in it, which is what pepitas are. But this is a bright and balanced salsa with tomatoes, chopped pepitas, and spices. So we'll definitely give that a try with some just regular tortilla chips and see how that one is. Grabbed some garden vegetable soup. I actually got this one because there's an Aldi one that is really, really good. And sometimes you see some correlation between Trader Joe's and Aldi products. So we'll see if this one is as good as the Aldi one is. Whenever I go to Trader Joe's, I usually try and grab a little something for my nephews. One of them cannot eat artificial color, and these are colored with fruit juices. If you do have a kiddo with allergies, though, these do have wheat and milk, so certainly not free of all of the allergens, so it just depends on which ones you need to exclude. But these are definitely yummy, and they're super like soft and gummy. Really enjoy those. Grab some dried baby bananas. They are just dried baby bananas. Soft and juicy mango is another favorite around here. These are awesome to just throw in the car and have if you need a little something. I have not had their Turkish dried figs before, but I can't imagine there's anything bad. The only ingredient in here is the figs. Obviously, it's been a while since I've been to Trader Joe's because I needed to stock up on my seasonings from them. Grab some more of this Green Goddess blend. This is awesome. These three I have not had before. I believe these two are either new or are back after having been gone for a while. This salmon rub, this one has brown sugar, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and thyme. So I'm sure that's delicious on fish and chicken and veg. I'm not entirely sure what to do with these two, but I definitely had to pick them up. I have dreams that this pizza one is similar to what Papa John's does. They've got a really amazing little packet that you pick up when you grab your pizza. And if it's anything like that, this will definitely be worth having on hand. This is tomato powder, garlic, paprika, coriander, pepper, parsley, basil, and oregano. So nothing wrong with that. And then this is supposed to just taste like ketchup. So definitely we'll put these on some fries, but if you've got any good ideas other than that in the comments, let me know below. Tomato powder, sugar, salt, vinegar, onion and garlic. So yeah, that should just taste like ketchup. I also grabbed this. It's an ultimate turner, but it just like, it's solid, you know? And I yell at my husband when he tries to use metal on my nonstick pans and small kitchen appliances. So hopefully he'll use this one instead. But this guy is like super, this is super sturdy. So, and it's a very pretty blue. They had all kinds of nice colors, but I really like the blue. All right, we grabbed way more snacks than we needed, but I just started grabbing stuff that looked good, so that's what we did. Trader Joe's movie theater popcorn. Haven't had this before, but who doesn't love a movie theater popcorn? These are like Fritos scoops, which have been kind of difficult for me to find recently, so whenever I see these, I grab them. I've not had these salsa verde flavored corn tortilla chips before. They're green. They're marked as gluten-free on the package, so that's nice to know. I also grabbed this interesting looking loaf of bread. It's got like a bunch of olives in it and some herbs, so it sounded yummy. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it, but it's bread, so I'll figure it out. Grab some bamba. Now, I love these cheese crunchies, so when I saw these cheese crunchies, these cheese and truffle flavored ones, I was like, well, that's interesting. I want to be able to review those on the internet, so we will let you know in the taste test. But I know these are really, really good. I also grabbed some crumpets. Trader Joe's is the only place near me that I'm aware of that sells these, and I really enjoy them from time to time. I just toast them up in the toaster oven with a little bit of butter, and they are so yummy. And the last thing I grabbed was, this is actually the Trader Joe's label of Blanc de Blanc, which I personally love in a mimosa, and I've been in kind of a mimosa mood lately. So this one is actually made in France. So yeah, a nice inexpensive sparkling wine to make for a happy Sunday mimosa. So that's it. That's the whole haul. It's amazing how expensive groceries have gotten. That doesn't feel like $170 worth of groceries to me. I mean, I know I got a lot of like junk food, but man, stuff has gone up. Do make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you can make sure to catch the taste tests and reviews I do of all this stuff. So you can know if it's worth picking up on your next trip to Trader Joe's or not. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.